Hey guys, so we live here in Florida. So what does Florida do almost every day? Rain. So I was telling my wife the other day, I said how we needed to get some good windshield wiper blades, and I had found this brand online. I want to try it out. So Scrub Blade, you guys heard of them? Man, they are phenomenal. Talk about a purposely built wiper that's good for all seasons, rain, all you fellas up north. Check these out. So we got these, called them up, went on the website, scrubblades.com. Place an order with them. And check this out. For you guys that like to, I love to color match almost everything that I can. Well, that's just what you can do with Scrub Blades. They now have quite a few colors that you can match your truck, red, all different colors, man. I can't think of all the colors they got right now, but scrubblade.com. Check them out. These things are awesome. We run them on all of our vehicles. My kids run them on theirs. Run them on the big truck. Check these out. Scrub Blades. White. My son's got a Ford F-350, a white one. Wild white. Check it out. Man, ain't that cool. And these things are well built, man. And of course, red. Gotta have the red ones. Rad red. Check them out. Let's pop one of these open here. Check this thing out real quick. You got really good packaging. We have a get them out of the package here. Check this out. Look at that. Double bladed. Man, are them things cool. Tell me that ain't cool right there. Color match your vehicle. I'll get these on. I'll show you how quick it is to do an install on the next one and show you how they look. The operation of these blades though is incredible. These things really do scrub your windshield as you're getting the rain off or whatever. These things work phenomenal. Highly recommend scrubblade.com. Go check them out, guys. Scrubblade.com.